In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate some essential settings in your Shopify store, focusing specifically on how to manage your billing information. Whether you're new to Shopify or just looking to ensure everything is up to date with your billing, this guide will have you covered step by step. So let's dive right in. First, let's head over to the Shopify homepage. You'll want to log into your account and navigate to your store's home dashboard. This is the control center of your Shopify store, where you'll manage everything from inventory to sales and, of course, your settings. Now that you're on the home page, your next step is to click on the Settings option. You'll find this in the lower left corner of the screen, marked by a gear icon. Tapping on the settings is like opening the door to a multitude of options tailored to running your store efficiently. You'll want to get familiar with this area as it holds many key components of your Shopify experience. Once you've opened your settings, locate the option labeled Billing. Clicking on Billing will redirect you to the page where you can manage all aspects related to your store's financial interactions with Shopify. This is a crucial section for monitoring your expenses and ensuring that your store remains in good standing. Within the Billing tab, one of the most important actions you can take is to check on your upcoming bill. Clicking here allows you to view and plan for your next payment cycle. It's a proactive way of managing your finances, helping you understand what charges to expect. Being on top of this will ensure there are no surprises in your business costs, which can help maintain smooth operations. After reviewing what's coming up, it's equally important to understand where your money has been going. So, click on the option named Past Bills. This section will give you a full history of previously paid invoices. This is a fantastic tool for bookkeeping and for tracking expenses month by month. If there are any discrepancies or questions, this is the section that provides clarity. And there you have it, a guided tour through managing your Shopify billing settings. By familiarizing yourself with these steps, you ensure that the financial aspect of your store is always in check, giving you more time to focus on growing your business and less time worrying about logistics. Remember, staying organized on the financial side is just as important as the products you sell. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this guide helpful in navigating your Shopify store more effectively. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out or check out other resources to enhance your Shopify experience.